This is coming off of Shaloop, going on to Floresta, going left towards the bridge. 1 second. Shit, sorry, I don't think you can see it. Oh! There we go. It's gonna be, I don't know, you can't go straight. It's the most stupid thing I've ever seen in my life. I don't get it. There's the bridge. So, you're gonna have to go to there and make a U-turn. But yeah, it's the most dumb thing I've ever seen in my life. I don't get it. So I just made the U-turn. I got pretty hibiscus trees. I guarantee you in about a year, they're going to have to change this whole thing. I don't know. Maybe it'll work out. Maybe they know something I don't. But, yep, that's it.